Welcome to MaidTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Rajesh. I'm Indian.
Okay, how old are you?
My age is
30. Are you single or married?
I'm a single.
Single. What position are you applying for?
Driver position.
Driver. Okay, when would you be able to start working?
I'm here first working 2003 to 2010.
Okay, but when can you start for your new job?
New job,
You can start immediately?
yeah, immediately.
Yes, okay, because you're on a tourist visa.
Yes.
Do you have relatives here in UAE? Like for example, cousin?
Yeah,
You have. Okay, please describe your last job. What was your last job?
Last job is driver job.
Yes?
I'm here 2010.
2010. Okay, how long have you been driving here in Dubai?
Is 6 years.
For 6 years. You work for what company?
Arab Tech Construction Company.
Arab Tech.
Yeah, then I have Gloria Hotels and Aladdin Container Company.
As a driver?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so are you familiar with the roads in Dubai? Okay, which areas of Dubai are you most familiar with?
Families, Urban Ventures, Jumeirah Ventures, then Precast, this Al Barsha.
Okay, so are you ready to perform housekeeping chores inside the house? Okay. What is the speed limit on Sheikh Zayed Road?
It's 100.
100. Okay. So what do you do if your phone starts ringing while you are driving?
So this time I'm no answer, so I will just fill it, then after I will call you.
You can call them back. Okay, every day you go to pick up kids at school. One day your employer calls you to go somewhere else. How are you going to deal with it?
I will just first call you, then after you tell me, possible that first I will take but children's.
Yes. Okay, you have to prioritize the children.
This important is children.
Yes, then after that, you can call your madam and then do whatever she wants you to do. Okay, so describe yourself. What kind of a driver are you?
Sorry?
Describe yourself. What kind of a driver are you? Are you patient? Are you a calm driver?
Patient.
You're a patient driver. Okay. So, how much is your minimum expected salary?
3,500.
At least 3,500. Okay. So, please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for MaidTV.com. Thank you.